This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices so the transfer can happen without delay. Enable Bluetooth in Windows settings and make the receiving device discoverable. This ensures pairing will complete. Next, choose the exact file in File Explorer, right-click it and pick Send to, then Bluetooth device. This option initiates the process. Once done, Windows will search for nearby devices, select the recipient from the list, and click Next. Do this to avoid sending the wrong file and to trigger the pairing handshake promptly. After selecting the recipient, you may need to pair the devices. Confirm the numeric PIN on both screens so Windows and the other device trust each other. Once paired, choose whether the recipient will accept manually or if the device is trusted and will accept automatically. This affects speed and security. Monitor the transfer window for progress and transfer rate so you can estimate completion. If interrupted, you can retry without reselecting the file, but make sure both Bluetooth radios remain active. Complete the process by confirming the recipient received and can open the file. Verifying integrity avoids surprises later. After transfer, turn off discoverable mode to reduce security risks and unpair if you no longer need a trusted connection. If the transfer fails, first toggle Bluetooth on both devices, then repair. Move them closer and remove obstacles because signal strength matters. As a single troubleshooting tip, restarting both devices often resolves stubborn Bluetooth stacks, so try that before using alternative methods like a USB drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.